For the record, if it had been less than, the only difference is you want the negative portion. And then if it is equal to, then you will use your brackets. The only exceptions is if it's part of the domain restriction, do not include it. Okay, let's do one last one together. So on this last one, I would start by factoring it. So if we factor the top, we'll get x minus 4, x plus 3. And if we factor the bottom, we get x plus 3, x minus 2 is greater than 0. Notice here right off the bat, you have a hole. So we definitely do not want x to equal negative 3. Like it's going to skip over that. You've got a hole there. So be aware that may be another case where you want to use that information on your x-intercept, on your number line, or just be aware of, because we're going to have to skip over that wherever it is. It's not that the sign will change there though. And then set the top equal to 0, our x-intercept is then 4. Set the bottom equal to 0, our vertical asymptote then is 2. Hopefully by now we are pros with our number lines. We want 2 and 4. And this one I'm going to let you kind of do on your own, but I will tell you the results. We get a positive, a negative, and a positive interval. And once again, we're looking for when it's greater than. So we're going to take the one on the left and on the right. We didn't do equal to, so we've got open circles. But you got to be careful because this one we skip over x equals negative 3. So make sure that even though it doesn't come up on your number line, I mean, you could put it there if that helps you, but that we're doing negative infinity to negative 3. We got to skip over that because it's a whole. Negative 3 to 2. And then lastly, 4 to infinity as your result. All right, go ahead and try your 3.4 homework.